Assalamualaikum viewers, hope so you will be fine. Juliana Osman आपके खिदमत में हाजिर है and you are welcome to my YouTube channel and we were doing active voice and passive voice as we have completed tenses and I had held conversation class on Sunday, so as you may learn those sentences which are used in our daily life. So the active voice and passive voice are before we have completed all indefinite tenses. Either that indefinite can deal with future, present or past. So we are doing today now active voice and passive voice, but we are doing continuous tenses. So first of all, I will start my continuous tenses from present continuous tense. So present continuous tense formula is before you and this formula deals with tenses, and in other words you can call this formula the formula of active voice, because all formulas which belong with tenses, these are active voice. So the active voice formula is subject is MR, verb first form ing, then object, and at the last you have to insert full stop. And when you will make passive voice formula, then sorry, I have written here wrong because the object will come first. As in passive voice, you have to write object first, then is MR, then being, then verb third form by, and subjective pronoun. All right. So the active voice formula, अगर हम इस फॉर्मूले को लेके भी चलते हैं, so the subject is she, then is, because with she the helping verb is has been used here, and verb first form do, and with ing it becomes doing, then home chores माने घर के काम, तो this is object. She is doing home chores, वो घर के काम कर रही है. So this is active voice sentence, and how I will convert it into passive voice. Let's convert it. First the object will come. The object is home chores because the subject is acting upon home chores. So the object is home chores, so I will write here object first, home chores. Home chores घर के काम, यानी कि I am talking about more than one work, so that is why I will apply here home work. Home chores are, when we talk about more than one, then we have to apply are, because this is plural. Home chores are plural, home chores are. Then according to formula you have to apply being, and the verb third form. So you have to find out the verb, that what is verb? Verb is do, and the third form of do is done. Home chores are being done. Then you have to apply by according to formula, because in passive voice we have to apply by in grammar, and subjective pronoun is, for subjective pronoun we have to look she. We have to look subject. So the subject is she, and if subject is she, then the subjective pronoun will be her. So home chores are being done by her. So I have converted active voice into passive voice. All right. Let's do second sentence. We are making coffee. Okay. So coffee is object because we is subject, and subject is acting upon coffee. Subject is acting upon acting on the object, and the object is coffee. So the coffee will come here first, because in active voice and passive voice, because in passive voice we apply object first. So the coffee is first. Coffee is one. That is why I will use here is. All right, because I am talking about a singular object. That is why is will come here. So according to formula, being will be inserted here. Coffee is being. Acha, verb third form, then you have to search that what is verb. Verb is make. Okay, the make is first form, second form is made, and third form is also made. Coffee is being made. Then you have to apply by according to formula. Then you have to apply at the last subjective pronoun. Then what is subjective pronoun? So we have to look subject. The subject is we, so that is why I will write here us. We will be converted into subjective pronoun. We will be converted into us. So the third sentence is we are drinking juice. हम juice पी रहे हैं. So the third sentence is juice. ठीक है, juice. Juice is also a singular object. That is why is will come here. Juice is. Then according to formula, being will come here. Juice is being. I think I should write here because it is going just out of line. Gap was being washed. Coffee. So juice is being drunk. Then the verb third form is drinking. The first form of drinking is drink. Then second is drank, D-R-A-N-K, and the third is drunk, D-R-U-N-K. Juice is being drunk. Then according to formula, I will apply here by and subjective pronoun. As I have used here we, so it will again be converted into us. So juice is being drunk by us. The fourth sentence is they are playing football. They are playing football. So the football is object. That is why object will come first. Then football is singular object. That is why is I will apply here is. Then afterwards I have to apply being because being is coming according to formula and we have to write here. So the verb third form, what is verb here? Verb is play, playing. ठीक है, the third form of played will be P-L-A-Y-E-D, played. Football is being played. Then by will come according to formula. And as this is they, so the they will be converted into them. He is watching cricket match. He is watching cricket match. So the cricket match is object. Then is. Then being. Verb third form. Verb is watch here and the third form is watched. And by will come according to formula. Then subjective pronoun. He is subject and he will be converted into him. Suppose that if अगर हमें जो है यहाँ बीच में अगर he का अगर आता है तो हम his लगाएंगे, लेकिन अगर लास्ट में आता है so we will apply him. So these were 5 sentences and these sentences deal with affirmative sentences. I should write here affirmative. I forgot to write it. Affirmative, I have told you that those sentences in which neither we deny nor we ask question. So these are affirmative sentences, or we can call it positive sentences also. Now we will do negative sentences in which denial will be made. So now we will do negative sentences. The formula will remain same and only not will be added in the formula. And as I have told you earlier that this is present continuous tense formula, and the present continuous tense formula is also we call active voice, and the passive voice formula is also written before you. So the present continuous formula in negative, how I will do it, you can see here. You have to write subject first is MR, then not, verb first form ing, object, and at the last you have to insert full stop, because in affirmative and negative you have to insert full stop. This is the part of the punctuation as I repeat these sentences on daily basis, so as you may memorize these rules. So she is not doing home chores. She is not doing home chores. वो घर के काम नहीं कर रही है. We are not making coffee. हम कॉफी नहीं बना रहे हैं. We are not drinking juice. I think I have used we 2 times, so I am changing it. So we have used she, we, they, he. I should write here. Salma is not. Alright. Salma is not drinking juice. They are not playing football. He is not watching cricket match. So how I will convert it in negative? You can see here I have not made any big change, only after auxiliary verbs. These are called auxiliary verbs or helping verbs. Just after auxiliary verb I have applied not, so it has become negative. So she is not doing home chores. So how I will do it? So here I will write object first, but in active voice you have to write subject first, but in passive voice you have to write object first. So the object is home chores. Home chores. ठीक है, home chores, as I have told you that home chores means घर के काम, and I am talking about plural object, so that is why I will write here are. You have to choose that whether you will apply here is am or are, but home chores के साथ are आएगा क्योंकि बहुत सारे घर के काम हैं. Home chores are, then not because this is negative, that is why not. Then being, B-E-I-N-G, being, I will apply here. It comes with present continuous tense, but in passive voice, in active voice you will not write being. Alright, so home chores are not being, and the verb third form you have to look the verb. So the verb is do, because but here doing has been written because in present continuous tense we have to write ing with the form of verb, with the first form of the verb. So the do is the real verb. So the do, the third form of do will be done. Do, did, done. So the done is third form. Done by will come according to formula, and subjective pronoun is, for subjective pronoun you have to see subject, and she is subject, so the subjective pronoun will be her. Alright, so at last you will insert full stop. The second sentence is we are not making coffee. Okay, we are not making coffee. The coffee is object, so the coffee will come first. Coffee singular object, so you have to apply is here. Coffee is, then not because this is negative. Being according to formula. Verb third form, you have to find out the verb. The making, the first form of making is make, and the third form is made. Coffee is not being made. Then by, so the subject has been used here, we, so the we will be converted into us. Alright, so the third sentence says Salma is not drinking juice. Salma juice नहीं पी रही है. So the juice, the last word, because Salma is acting upon juice, so the juice is object. Juice is singular object, so is will come here. and not because it is negative, so not will come here. Being will come according to formula. See, I am following the rules of formula. So the verb is drinking, drink. Drink, drank, drunk. The third form of drink is drunk, D-R-U-N-K, drunk. You have to learn all form of the verb, because in these form of the verb you have to also know the correct spelling of verbs. So the juice is not being drunk by Salma. Salma will remain Salma, though it is subjective pronoun, but the Salma will remain Salma. That is why I will write here Salma. So they are not playing football. They are not playing football. The football is object. Football is also singular object, so is will come here, and not because this is negative, and being according to formula. And verb third form, verb has been used here playing, and the play is first form and the third form is played. You have to add P-L-A-Y-E-D. Football is not being played. By will come according to formula. Then them. They will be converted into them because we have to write subjective pronoun. So let's come to fifth sentence. He is not watching cricket match. Cricket match is object. Cricket match. Cricket match is also singular objects. That is why is will come here. Cricket match is, then not because negative, then being according to formula. Verb third form, watch, watched, watched. W-A-T-C-H-E-D, watched. See, I am teaching you like children, so must notice it and must follow these rules. Being watched, by will come according to formula, and he is subject and the subjective pronoun will be him. Alright, so these are 5 sentences, and we have done today affirmative and negative sentences of present continuous tense. These are active voice and these are passive voice. So I have made you done 5 sentences. I hope so you understood that how we will make active voice and passive voice of present continuous tense. So if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and watch my videos fully and learn on daily basis. And do practice please, because these are the days of quarantine and you have golden opportunity to learn English. So तब तक के लिए आप जुलियाना उस्मान को इजाज़त दीजिए. अल्लाह हाफिज़.